In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect unclosed lines into a polyline in Autocad. If you've drawn a boundary, a road center line, or any path as separate line segments, turning them into a single polyline makes editing, offsetting, measuring length, and applying hatches much easier. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get reliable results every time. Start by getting a clear view of the area you want to work on. Zoom in to the line segments you want to join so you can clearly see where the endpoints meet. A closer view helps you spot tiny gaps or overlaps that might prevent the join. The goal is to make sure the pieces you intend to merge are visible and easy to select accurately. Next, use the command that does the heavy lifting, type join and press enter. This tells Autocad that you want to merge separate objects into a single continuous one. You can do this right from the command line or dynamic input, whichever you prefer. Now, select all the unclosed or separate lines you want to connect. You can pick them one by one or drag a selection window around them. Take a moment to make sure you're only grabbing the segments you want combined, especially if your drawing is dense. Selecting the intended objects up front will save you the hassle of undoing accidental merges. When your selection looks right, press enter to merge them into a polyline. Autocad will attempt to stitch the segments together, creating a single polyline wherever the endpoints align closely enough. If everything is properly connected, you'll notice the object behaves as one continuous element. You'll see a unified grip set when you click it, and the properties palette will identify it as a polyline if you choose to check. If some pieces didn't join, it's usually because there's a small gap, an overlap, or endpoints that aren't perfectly aligned, possibly even at slightly different elevations. Zoom in a bit more to inspect the connection points. Fixing tiny gaps or ensuring the endpoints touch is often all that's needed. Then repeat the same simple process: join, select, and press enter. That's all there is to it. By converting separate lines into a single polyline, you streamline future edits and improve the precision